Question number 22, first part. Find the angles, find angles. They are asking find angles. If they are writing angles, means you have to find acute angle also or obtuse angle also. Both angles you have to find. So in this case, angles if you have to find, then tan theta will be what? Plus minus m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Or if generally they ask angle, then tan theta is equal to only positive. You have to take m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m1 m2. So here we will see, find the angle between the lines y minus root 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Y minus root 3x minus 5 is equal to 0, and root 3y minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Is it clear? So first I will find m1 is the slope of this line, m2 is the slope of this line. I will find m1 slope minus coefficient of x. Minus coefficient of x is what? Minus root 3. Minus root 3 upon coefficient of y is what? 1. So here it is what? Root 3. m1 is equal to root 3. Is it clear? m1 is equal to root 3. m2 is equal to minus coefficient of x, that is minus 1 upon coefficient of y, that is what? Root 3. So plus 1 upon root 3, and here it is plus root 3. So m1 is equal to what? Root 3. m2 is equal to 1 by root 3. You have to find the angles, not only angle. If generally it is written that you have to find the angle, then it means you have to find acute angle only. Is it clear? Now tan theta will be what? Plus minus. First I have to solve m1 minus m2. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus root 3 into 1 by root 3 cancel. Here what? LCM. So LCM is what? Root 3. 1 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3 minus root 3 into root 3 1 upon. Here sinus plus minus upon 1 plus 1, that is what? 2. So 3 minus 1, that is what? 2 upon root 3 upon 2. You know a upon b upon c, I can write what? A upon b into c. So same I will write this plus minus 2 upon root 3 into 2. 2 cancels, plus minus 1 by root 3. What is the answer? Plus minus 1 by root 3. So if it is tan theta value is plus minus 1 by root 3, you have to find the angles. What is the value? Tan theta is equal to, two values are there, plus minus 1 by root 3. Is it clear? If I am taking tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, so I know theta is what? Tan 30 degree. Tan theta is equal to what? Tan 30 degree. So theta value is what? 30 degree. One case. Tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Value is what? Negative. And you know in third quadrant value is negative. So tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3, or I can write tan theta is equal to minus tan 30 degree. And I know tan theta is equal to tan of 180 minus 30. Tan 180 minus theta. Tan 180 minus tan 180 minus theta, that is what? Second quadrant. Third quadrant so tan is positive. Second quadrant tan is negative. I want value negative, so I have to go in second quadrant, because of the first quadrant all are positive. Second quadrant sinus positive, tan is negative. So I have to write tan 180 minus theta. So minus tan theta, minus tan 30, I am writing what? Tan 180 minus 30. Because tan 180 minus theta is what? Minus tan theta. So at the place of theta is what? 30. So I am writing minus tan 30. I am writing tan 180 minus 30. I know this value is what? Tan 150 degree. Here it is tan theta. So in this case, theta will be 150 degree. So one angle is what? 30 degree. Other angle is 150 degree. One is acute angle 30 degree, and this is obtuse angle, that is 150 degree. This is first part. Now second part you can see. Second part, x plus 2y is equal to 5. So I can write x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. I can write. And other equation is 3x plus y is equal to 11. 3x plus y is equal to 11. So minus 11 is equal to 0. Is it clear? So first I will find what? Find the angle. Here it is written find the angle only. Means you have to find the acute angle only. So you have to take only positive value you have to take. Is it clear? Or mod value you have to take. In this case, when theta is acute, only simple they are asking find the angle means you have to give answer for acute angle only. So tan theta is equal to what? Mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So I can write m1 is what? Minus coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is what? Minus coefficient of x is 1 upon coefficient of y is what? Plus 2, that is minus 1. M2 is equal to what? Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y is what? Now you can write the value m1 minus m2, that is what? Minus 1 by 2 minus 3, so plus 3 upon 1 plus m1 into m2 means what? Minus 1 by 2 into minus 3. Is it clear? Upon 1. So 2 is the LCM. So minus 1 plus 1 to the 2, 2 3 is 6 upon 1 minus is what? Plus 3 by 2 upon 1. So here also you can take LCM. 6 minus 1, 5 by 2 upon 2 is the LCM. 2 plus 3. So 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2. So it is what? 5 by 2 to 5 by 2 cancel. So here it is what? 1 value, mod 1, that is 1 only. Because you have to take, because here theta is what? Acute. So tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So tan theta is equal to 1. For which value? Tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. So value of theta is what? 45 degree is the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you.